Alright. Awake.
Flood. It's spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Oh, I don't want to contain it. I want to let it spread. I wish this wasn't a simulation. Michael's smart.
All squads, report. Multiple contacts. Unknown contact. There! Over there! Surrounded, Sergeant!
Michael is very smart indeed.
Fall back! Fall back!
Bye, humans. There's a lot of you. Oh, damn it. Still haven't quite mastered this thing. I have gotten better. Okay. Whoa, what's going on? Doesn't matter. I'm gone. Ah, out of my mind.
It's not safe.
Well, you can't save Jimmy this time, Cortana. Jimmy is gone now. There's quite a few of you. Goodbye, Marine.
Sergeant, they were
Actually,
all
what
infected.
gun do you have? Just that one. I already have that.
Sliding around beneath their skin.
All units and take heed. This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent. Clear the sector. We'll be in for the flood.
Alright. Thanks for dealing with the flood for me. Yeah. Ah.
My brothers, I feel you breathing. Down humans and take heed. This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent.
Ah.
Clear the sector. We'll be in for the flood.
Yes. Oh no. Okay, maybe don't aim towards the rock. Aim towards here. Oh, that was even worse. Yeah, we deal with the flood. Okay, maybe this way. Yeah! Hell yeah! Oh, that didn't work out as I wanted. Ah! Oh god, I'm being bounced around like a pinball. Fire hydrant, god! No, that blocked my path. Need to get out of this hell. You guys are very tough. Oh man. Goodbye. And now, save.
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
You are not salvation, Great Mind, which is a good thing. Honestly, I wish you were real, Great Mind. Well, I know you're real, but alive is more so. What I want right now.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
I want control of my own.
Chief.
Cortana?
High Charity. The Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana.
Reclaimer.
Hello, traitor. You can help me.
Before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs,
Oh, me, Grey Mind, and 343 Guilty
You
Spark.
tried to kill me.
It'd be a
protocol dictated
quite
my
a
response.
trio.
She had the activation index.
But
and
both
you
are
were going
dead.
to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function: to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
I wish both of them were still alive. I mean, the Flood kinda survived. They were on the Ark.
Will it live, Oracle?
But damn it, Michael
This
ruined that.
storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief.
Success!
High Charity. The Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Grave Mind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Oh!
Yes, pain.
Sorry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. You've heard enough. Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A flood army. A grave mother has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. We
Yes,
stand our
risk
ground.
everyone. Let
We might
everyone
just have a
die.
chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the Flood is already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
It's time for war. Let's go and kill them all. See you in hell, Hood.